Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Goibibo, one of India's largest travel booking apps. But with thousands of complaints about cancelled bookings, refund issues, and customer service nightmares, is Goibibo legit or should you avoid it? Let's break down the truth. Yes, Goibibo is a real established company, not a fake app or scam in the traditional sense. It's owned by Make My Trip and has been operating for years as one of India's major online travel agencies. You can book flights, trains, hotels, and buses through their platform. The app is legitimate and millions of people use it. But here's the problem. Just because it's real doesn't mean it's reliable. On Trustpilot, users call it a totally fake app with complaints about automatically canceled tickets and no refunds. On SiteJabber, it has a 1.2-star rating from 375 reviews, with customers reporting flights cancelled without consent and impossible to reach customer service. Its consumers show over 4,000 reviews, averaging 1.5 stars, with the most common complaints being tickets not issued despite payments, bookings not confirmed with hotels, and refunds taking years or never arriving. First, here are the most common issues. First, booking confirmation problems. Multiple users report paying for tickets that show as confirmed in the app, but when they reach the airport or hotel, they're told the booking doesn't exist. This forces them to purchase duplicate tickets at higher price. Second, automatic cancellations without notice. People book flights or hotels weeks in advance, and Goibibo cancels without warning them. Sometimes just hours before travel. No email, no notification, nothing. Third, refund nightmares. When bookings fail or get cancelled, users report waiting months or even years for refunds. Some say Goibibo gives vouchers instead of cash refunds, while others never receive their money at all. Fourth, customer service is essentially non existent. Users describe spending hours on hold with no resolution, being passed between departments, receiving promises of callbacks that never come, and finding that contact numbers don't work or lead to useless automated systems. To be fair, some users do have successful bookings without issues. The app interface is user friendly, and when things go smoothly, people appreciate the convenience. Some positive reviews mention helpful customer service resolving hotel issues quickly, but these positive experiences are vastly outnumbered by horror stories. The final verdict: Goibibo is a real app, but with terrible service. With average ratings of 1.2 stars to 1.5 stars across review platforms, the evidence is overwhelming. This company has serious operational problems. For important travel, book directly with airlines and hotels, or use more reliable platforms like ClearTrip or MakeMyTrip. Though they own Goibibo, their service is reportedly better. Only use Goibibo if you're comfortable with significant risk of booking failures and refund delays. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.